The aim of this review is to take a deep and detailed look at Power Efficiency Guide, if it's really worth investing in. Power Efficiency Guide is an online program that teaches you how to cut your energy bill and usage significantly by creating your own energy source. Who is the creator of Power Efficiency Guide? The Power Efficiency Guide was created by Mark Edwards, and he isn't some electrician or scientist of any sort. He's simply a man who found his family in a situation with zero power and for a long period of time during the dead of winter. What is the Power Efficiency Guide about? The Power Efficiency Guide is about to teach you to build your very own energy source that's cheap, safe, easy to obtain the materials for, and easy to maneuver. It's based on a spinning principle that is used in electric cars today, which can be made with easy to obtain materials. This is also the same principle found in nature, and it basically involves using a multiplication rule that takes a small amount of energy and multiples it via the spinning principle. And if all of this doesn't make sense to you, don't worry. It's complete with detailed instructions carefully listed in correct order, lists of proper tools and materials needed, pictures and diagrams. You'll be amazed at just how easy it is to decrease your electricity bills and start using your own source of energy. You actually don't need any type of building experience. You just have to place the right materials in the right position and, voila, you have power. The power that is strong enough to light up your entire home, turn on your refrigerator, run the appliances. The method doesn't use any fire nor does it release dangerous fumes, so it's entirely safe to use and implement into your home even with little ones running around. When you purchase the program, you also receive 4 bonus programs at no extra charge to you. They are Reducing Energy Waste, My Magnet Motor Power from Smith Generator, Lighting History. Everything, including the Power Efficiency Guide, is online, so you can get started right away. You can implement it into your home right now to start saving on your electricity bills. In fact, with this guide, you can save at least 50.75% of electricity. Power everything from computers and appliances to coolers and water pumps. Use as an energy source for a cottage or while camping. Have a rescue line in the case of an emergency. Clean dirty water. Additionally, you do receive a 60-day money-back guarantee. But once you see how easy this program is to complete, there's no way you'll want to go back to high bills and unreliable electricity. Conclusion. This guide has been proven by seasoned individuals to do just what it says it does. Yes, its product works effortlessly and takes off the burden of costly electric bills and offers you quality and relevant information you would need. The Power Efficiency Guide is highly recommended. It is a guide that is worth every single dollar that it cost. If you want to escape costly electric bills, this is the best guide to follow. Click link in description to buy it.